Ad,
Yes.
you know we only get back from Rome on the 4th of January?
Yes.
Well, I've just found some really cheap flights to Seville on the 9th of January.
We're going on your surprise Christmas present on the 23rd of January.
Okay. But I found some really cheap flights.
I know, but we've already got 2 holidays in January.
Do you fancy a paella?
Yeah, go on then.
I'm going to show you exactly how we book our cheap flights. So I use the Skyscanner app. I click which airport I want to fly from. If you're flexible, you can put United Kingdom in there, but I've chosen Manchester. You then pick which country you want to go to. I've clicked everywhere. Then you pop your dates in and how many adults or children want to fly. Click apply and see what happens. So as you can see, you can go to Ireland for £30 on those dates. Italy, 41. I'm going for Spain here. So we go down to Seville because we wanted to go to Seville. And it brings up which flights and flight times and which airline to fly with. It tells you here that the flight is £52 each per adult. So click onto there, find out all the details. And it looks like we're flying from Ryanair. So it takes you to Ryanair. Now, I don't actually book through Skyscanner. I then go on to each individual airline website. So for me, I'm going on to Ryanair now. I've got my own portal because we book a lot of Ryanair flights. So you're putting exactly the same thing in. So we're flying from Manchester to Seville, the correct dates, and here it brings you up which flights and how much they cost. So you can see we've got a 4:45 p.m. flight out, and we're flying back at 10:40 in the morning. You can see they're pretty cheap flights here, so click on those. Now here it asks you, do you want a bag? Because we're just going for 2 nights, we just want very basic, which doesn't include bags, and it also doesn't include seats. So here we're just clicking which seats we want. Sometimes we choose seats, sometimes we don't. These are only £10 each, so we figure because the flight is so cheap, why not? We'll just sit together. You can get lucky sometimes, but we don't like to risk it. Just a quick top tip for Ryanair. They don't accept paper boarding passes anymore, so make sure you download them onto your phone. So we've gone for the cheapest seats that we can find here. We don't normally add fast track because we don't normally need it. So where it says small bag here, that is basically a tiny rucksack. But if you're only going for a weekend, you don't need much more than a rucksack. All booked, and that's how easy it is. And that's how we book all of our flights. If you want to see the rest of this trip,
For booking hotels and our itinerary, then join us next time. Make sure you're liked and subscribed because we're bound to be
somewhere.